The IKEA Pax wardrobe system is beloved for its modularity and affordability, but its standard finish often screams flat pack. Hacking the Pax isn't just about changing handles, it's about structural integration and high-quality aesthetic upgrades that fool the eye into believing it's a bespoke piece. We'll explore 5 key steps to transform this versatile cabinet into a seamless, high-end built-in unit.
Step 1. Planning and creating the seamless built-in frame. The secret to a truly built-in look is eliminating all visible gaps between the wardrobe unit, the wall, and the ceiling. Measure your space meticulously. If your Pax units don't perfectly fill the width, you will need to create filler strips, pieces of MDF or lumber matching your wall color to span the distance. Secure the Pax frames to the wall studs, then cut, prime, and install these vertical filler pieces using caulk and spackle for a completely smooth integrated junction. Step 2. Upgrading door fronts and hardware for designer appeal. The standard IKEA doors are often the biggest giveaway. Upgrade your aesthetic by sourcing custom door fronts from third-party manufacturers who specifically cut panels for Pax hinges, or by adding simple architectural detailing like shaker-style molding directly onto the existing flat doors. Crucially, replace the default handles immediately. Invest in heavy, high-quality hardware, brushed gold poles, matte black bars, or leather tabs, which dramatically elevates the perceived value of the entire unit. Step 3. Mastering interior efficiency with non-Pax inserts. While complement is efficient, customize your drawers further for a bespoke feel. Purchase specialized velvet jewelry trays, watch compartments, or segmented wooden organizers designed for standard dresser drawers, and adapt them to fit the interior dimensions of your Pax drawers. If the fit isn't perfect, use small wooden shims or non-slip drawer liners beneath the organizers to ensure they sit flush and stable, maximizing organization in a luxurious manner. Step 4. Installing concealed, hardwired LED strip lighting. Move beyond cheap battery-operated stick-on lights. For a truly professional effect, install warm-tone LED strip lighting within aluminum channel profiles cut to the length of the interior frame sides. This provides diffused, continuous lighting. The wiring should be concealed behind the back panel or run through the top filler piece to a hidden transformer. This functional yet luxurious lighting illuminates clothes and accessories automatically via magnetic door sensors or motion detection, mimicking high-end cabinetry. Step 5. Applying custom baseboards and crown molding for architectural finish. The final critical step in achieving the integrated look is framing the entire structure with custom trim. Extend the room's existing baseboards along the front bottom of the Pax, hiding the plastic feet and gap beneath the unit. Similarly, affix architectural crown molding to the top filler strips, installed in Step 1, where the wardrobe meets the ceiling. This treatment completely dissolves the visual line between the cabinet and the room, making it appear as if the wardrobe was built simultaneously with the house.